I've been a full-time creative business owner now for 10 years, and I've learned a lot of lessons along the way that I want to share with you guys. Welcome to Lesson 6. Working well is better than working hard. Let me explain. See, we live in this day and age where hustle culture is celebrated, and that's this concept of working super hard to the point of burnout. And that can be dangerous. I can speak to it for myself. There's been times in my life where I've worked so hard that I was almost becoming a martyr to my own work, where I was wearing burnout as a badge of honor. And I was just like, man, look how hard I'm working. You know, I wanted other people to see how hard I was working. And it was like, man, if I'm just working hard, then, you know, I'm making it. But that's not even true. I was just working myself, you know, to the point of exhaustion and burnout, and it wasn't beneficial at all. So rather than just working hard for the sake of working hard, the alternative is to work well. And it's to do things with excellence. The way that you can do this is to shift your approach so that you're actually taking care of yourself. You're getting rest. You're spending time with family. You're spending time with friends. You're spending time away from work so that when you come back to work, you can give it your all and you can do it even better than before. Because when we let ourselves just get consumed by it all, it's just not worth it. We just end up spinning in circles and not even doing very good. Now, this is not obviously an excuse to be lazy. There is still time to work, and it's all about, like I said before, excellence. So you want to build systems that work for you, that are smart, that are strategic, that, you know, you aren't just like winging it all the time, hoping that things will work out just because you're working hard. And so that's really what it comes down to. And you know, I've heard it said before that you will not rise to the level of your goals, but you will fall to the level of your systems. So, you know, it's all about coming up with that better strategy. It's all about getting rest, finding balance, because ultimately work is a gift and work is a tool. And, you know, the end goal isn't just work. The end goal is the fruits of your labor, you know, so you need to work, you know, well, yes, but then you need to be able to step back and enjoy what you have created, enjoy the benefits of what you have created. Now, there's going to be different seasons and different times for all of this. There will be seasons where you need to, you know, spend a little bit of time, and it will feel like hard work, and that's where discipline kicks in, and, you know, feelings are fleeting and choices lead, feelings follow. So you got to just dive into that. But at the end of the day, it's not meant to be that way forever. There are seasons to it. And ultimately you want to work on systems that will help support a excellent and healthy way of work that will benefit you and your family, that will help you leverage that and create income that will last, all of that good stuff. But at the end of the day, it does all start with starting. So if you find yourself burnt out, know that there are ways to do things excellently. You may just need to take a step back. Don't idolize work. And if you are just starting out, realize sometimes it will take some work and it won't always be easy. That's okay too. It's not about it being easy. It's about you treating things excellently and taking care of yourself. Hopefully you guys have found some value from this video. If you're interested, I've recently released my new creator starter pack, which is like the ultimate guide for content creators. You can check that out here. Or if you want to catch yesterday's lesson, you can check that out here. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, stay creative. Peace.